back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the AirScreen XT wind fairing from Thule. The AirScreen XT is designed to reduce wind noise by redirecting the airflow up and over your crossbar system. It attaches to a wide variety of crossbar styles, and installation is a breeze. To begin assembling the AirScreen XT, start by sliding the wings onto the blade of the fairing, one on each side, making sure to align these two holes. Then install the two plastic fasteners per side to secure the wings. Repeat a similar process to install the two center brackets at the top of the wind fairing, securing them with the same plastic fasteners. Next, install the 4 rubber feet with the Thule logo facing down into the slots cut out on the bottom of the fairing. These rubber feet just pop into place with a bit of pressure. When attaching the pivoting arms to the clips, make sure to pay attention to their orientation. The strap should be on the bottom of the clip, and the pivoting arm should have the hexagonal shaped opening facing upward. Flipping over to the back of the fairing, the center brackets we installed earlier in the video have an adjustable ball which we'll be installing the pivoting arm over top of. Once it's in place, insert the screw from the top of the center bracket and add a wing knob underneath. Repeat a similar process to attach the outermost pivoting arms. The only difference being the balls anchoring the outer pivoting arms are fixed in place. Moving over to the car now, loosely mock up the wind fairing to center it best you can on the crossbars. If you have square crossbars, install this square bar adapter supplied with the AirScreen before you start mocking up the wind fairing. We're almost done with the installation. Once you have the fairing mocked up where you want it, and all 4 rubber feet are touching the roof of the vehicle, fully tighten the wing knobs to secure the pivoting arms in their current position. All that's left to do now is strap the fairing down to your crossbars. To do this, route the strap down into the buckle and depress on this button while simultaneously pulling the strap through the buckle from underneath until it is tight. Repeat the same process for the remaining 3 straps. And with that, the Thule AirScreen XT is fully installed on your vehicle. This concludes our video on this product. If you have any questions about it, please give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.